Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another haul video. In this video I will show you what I got in the Goodwill. I didn't get a lot, but I got a few really cool items, and what I got at the Dollar Tree. As I told you, this seems to be my monthly haul, so yes it is. This is July Dollar Tree haul slash a little bit of Goodwill haul. So if this is something you are interested in, please continue watching. Okay, so the first two items, I will insert the pictures on the screen so you could see, because they are big. Well, they're not really big, but they are a piece of furniture, and I didn't really want to drag it into my studio. They are downstairs in a garage, ready to be worked on. First, I got this really cute round table. It is perfect for my living room, and the price, we could not pass it. There was something wrong with the Goodwill. In the Goodwill was the cash register wasn't working, or the card machine wasn't functioning, so they wanted cash only. So we wanted it so badly that we went and got the cash, and then went back and purchased the table and a little dresser. So the table was only $3.99 for this table. I think I'm gonna leave it as is for right now. I'm going to clean it and polish it and so on, and then maybe, you know, a couple of months down the road, or even a little longer, I might turn it into a farmhouse table. I don't know, but now I kind of really enjoyed the way it is. It was awesome found. So the other one is a dresser. I love it. The baskets, like the little drawers, I think it was a kid's one because it had little stickers, so I will have to really work on that one to take the stickers off. I'm gonna sand it, paint it. So this is one of my trash to treasure DIY projects coming up in a near future. But the chest, this dresser was $12.99, and I loved it. I thought it would be a perfect to hold all my stuff that I wanted in my DIY studio, and it's white, so it will match my other furniture. But I do think I will need to paint it because it kind of, you know, rough and beat up a little bit. So those are the two pieces of furniture that I inserted on the screen, what I got. Then I will show you some more what I got. They had lots of stuff, and they had this basket. The color is a little odd. It's real red, and it is 99 cents. So I'm like, you know what? It's a perfect for some kind of project that I want to use, to even just set it, but it ain't gonna be red. I tell you the truth. I like it. I might keep it like that for Christmas, but right after that, I'm gonna paint it something else. But there is a basket. I was so happy. I scored so many really cool things. Not a lot, but cool enough. So then I got this. It's for the it's a candle holder lamp. I hate the color, honestly. So I didn't like it, and you can't really take it apart. So I am going to work on it. It's one of my future projects because I really need a lamp by my desk, and this one was $3.99. So I picked it up. Everything has been sprayed and disinfected by now. So then I got this frame. They had a bunch of frames. My husband actually picked up a couple for his projects, but I got this one, and I wish I would have found another one, because this one says "You are my favorite," and it is 4 by 6, and it was $1.99. Plus it was yellow day, so since this is a yellow sticker, I got a 50% off. So this frame was almost like 50 cents. So I was never paying attention to the sticker colors, so now I will. Then I picked up this it's kind of like a box, and I guess somebody used it during the Christmas. I don't know what they did, but I liked it. But you know, the way it is shaped, I'm gonna somebody really worked on it, because it's those metal, this is metal pieces and they are screwed in. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might take it down and paint it different colors, because I don't really care for that color. And the box needs to be, you know, a little sand down, treated a little bit, maybe you know, wood stain it, and it's coming apart, so I gotta fix it. But this box was $3.99, so I thought it was a little bit pricey for the box, but compared to Walmart prices, I thought it was a steal. Then I got this. I have no idea what I will be using it for, but I loved it. For now, I kind of wanted it for my plants, and the bottom is kind of coming apart, and this was really cheap. Hold on, let me tell you how much it was, because I think it was at on the side somewhere, if I can find it. Yeah, this one was $4.99 for this whole thing. So I am thinking to replace this wood piece at the bottom and maybe paint this different color and use it for my plants. I know my husband said this is for old magazines or something like that. No, I don't have any magazines as of right now. So anyway, so that was that. That's another project's coming up. And the last thing from the Goodwill that I was just in love with was this. Look at this. Isn't that cool? When I saw it, I instantly knew what I wanted for, because I was like, oh my gosh, I want it. Hopefully, when I was looking at the price, I was like, I hope it's not like something ridiculous. No, it was $4.99 for this whole piece. So it does need lots of work. Not too much, but I do need to sand it, paint, and, you know, get rid of those. I don't really care for this wording. So this is for my spices. I really wanted a spice organizer. My spices right now are in my little pantry, but I'm thinking to take them out and organize them on this little shelf and put it outside, like on my kitchen wall, so everybody can reach to it, because, you know, when somebody's in my kitchen, all the spices are going missing. So anyway, that was all for my Goodwill haul. I think I scored a couple of pieces that I was really excited. So what do you guys think? Did you like what I got? I'm thinking to maybe go back to the Goodwill maybe once a month, if, you know, it's safe to do that, because sometimes you do find a really nice treasure there. But so right now we're switching to the Dollar Tree haul. All right, so with the Dollar Tree, I have been looking for a Dollar Tree that has more like craft emphasized area, because the three actually by my house really has the minimum stuff. I swear. There's nothing, I never can find anything for crafts there unless I'm really digging, and I'm really lucky. So this one was right beside the Goodwill, and it was kind of out of the way, and I think it's gonna be my Dollar Tree now, because when I walked in, first of all, it was so clean. It was like, am I at the Dollar Tree? Nothing was in the aisle, everything was on the shelves, and they had the huge craft area. So I lost my mind in there. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so let's start. The first thing I got, I have not seen this before. This called craft clamps. I thought it was like, oh my God, I'm like, I need them for all kinds of stuff, you know, to even hold some things in place when you're crafting. So yeah, and I wasn't bad. I didn't get too many things, so I can go back and get more if I want to. Then I got this butterflies, and it says Crafter Square butterfly stickers. Look how gorgeous they are, and they are decent size, because I have the little stickers, the butterfly, and I love them. So this is like, I was like, oh my gosh, I love the butterflies. So I've been into butterflies lately, yeah. So then I went through it's like a wood area where the crafters, and I got the whole bag, nothing but different boxes. They had so many different boxes that I got a couple of each. Look at this. This is amazingly great. So then I got a couple of this. That's what they look like, and they are the size. Did they write the size on it? Just say wood crate. So that I guess I got 3 of each. So I got one more of this and one more of this. So, and then they had a bunch of little signs. I picked up this one because I have a project in mind that I want to use. So I got this home sign. Then I got this. I honestly don't know what I will be using it for. This says the Reef Charm, and it's Choose Happy. So, and it is kind of like it is not a stone, but it looks like it. So I like it because it could be a coaster down the road, or I can use it for reefs. So I got 2 of this, and then they had this like a butterfly one. So I got 2 of those. Then I picked up some rocks, and it says pebbles, and look like this. So that's that. Next, I got a couple of boards because even though I have plenty of the boards, I like the top of it. So I got like 3 of this, and they all saying the same thing, do they? Yeah, they all saying the same thing, but I like that it already had a wooden plank at the top, and this kind of like the shape already given. So I really enjoy working with pieces like this. So I was really happy I found some of that. Then I got a couple of kitchen towels. So I found to add it to my lemon plate collection, and I got this summery watermelon one. So I got a couple of kitchen towels, and then what else we got? They had this cute little frame, donut worthy, be happy. So for now, I like what it says. I'm not gonna mess with it, but it is a good project for later. And then I got this for my daughter. She really likes Krispy Kreme, so I got her a couple of donut pans, which I thought was like, wow, okay, I don't know, I haven't seen them before. Then in the floral area, they're already getting ready for fall, so I got a couple of what do they call it? They don't call it anything, it's just bouquet. So it reminds me of fall. And then they had this one. Isn't it cute? I was like, oh gosh, I'm losing my mind here. So I really like that they had like this cotton ball, whatever, on the top. And what else is in here? Oh, and then they had this. It's another one of those things. And let's see. And then they have this ones in the floral. They didn't have a lot, but they had a few of those. So I picked up a couple, like 4, I think. Yeah, there's 4. So I wasn't bad at the floral area. So that was that. And I think I have one more bag left. Okay, so then I picked up this stickers, and it's different colors from the both sides. I really liked it because I have lots of round things that I wouldn't mind using it as a wall decor. And then I found something really nifty. I have not seen it at my Dollar Tree before. This is the new Dollar Tree, so this is my Dollar Tree now. It says it's up to 60 hours LED tea light candles, and they look like a little stones. So I got 2 of those because I kind of wanted to know, since you know, from my Goodwill haul, if I use this, I would love to put inside this little candle holder and see if it actually works. So I got 2. I'll let you know if I'm happy with this or not, but this is the first time I have seen it. Oh, and back to the crates, I got this little apple crate, and I got this boxes. I was like, wow, those are super nifty boxes. So they had the round one, and then they had the little square one. So I got one of each. It could be like really cool, you know, fake decorations you can make, or you can store anything in it. But this is all I got pretty much for my crafts. Then I finally found the lightweight spackling, because I couldn't find it, I'm telling you. And I had it before, and I used it for my planters. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the cards above. I really like how it turned out. So when I saw that they have these buckets, I picked up another set of those buckets. Then I got this wooden craft cubes, and I loved it. It was the only one left. I wanted to get a little more because they are perfect for some craft projects that I would like to do. Then I picked up a couple of, so this is a round chalkboard tag. Then I got like a rectangle, I guess. And I got a couple on the chalkboard wood spikes. So I needed them because I am making a project for my kids, and I need those chalkboard thing. And then I found that chalkboard writer pen, and I'm like, boy, it could not gone better. So that was all. I was really happy with my haul, especially with the little crates. I couldn't believe it. So I really want to go back there, but I am controlling myself because, you know, I need to give them time to put new stuff on the shelf so I can go and really lose my mind for the fall stuff. But I already got a couple with, you know, pumpkins and stuff. So anyway, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.